In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Family Link on your PC. Now, everything is going to be managed from your browser, so head in there and just search for Google Family Link. And you'll see the first link over here. You just want to click into that. Now you want to click Sign In on the top right. And from inside here, you can manage your child's device and add your children's devices. And of course, you do that by clicking over here where it says Add Child. And here are the steps to add your child. So if it's from the Android device, you just need to open the device settings, go to Google, and then parental controls. But you don't just have to use Family Link for children, right? So you can add anyone to your Google One plan. So maybe you have a couple terabytes you want to share with somebody. All you need to do is go to Manage Family, which will then take you to this page. And here you can see everyone that's in your family group. You can click on this plus icon to send invitations to more people that you want to add to your family group. So for instance, you would just click on this one and then just say send. And then all they need to do is check their mail and accept the invitation. And then they will be added to your family group, and they will also be able to use a portion of your Google OneDrive space, as well as access files and whatever other benefits come with your Google One plan. And you can just click on any family member you want, and you can give parental permissions to them if you want, or you can completely remove them from the plan. And if I'm correct, you can add about 6 people to your plan. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.